Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Najma Salsabila binti Mu'alimin from Year 6 Resensi Nilai School. I love reading books. Today, I'm going to review a science book entitled What Einstein Didn't Know, Scientific Answers to Everyday Questions. I chose this book because I'm curious about the how and why behind everyday things. And I'm really interested in the title of this book. Yes, this book's title is a bit exaggerating. Because we all know that Albert Einstein was one of brilliant scientists ever lived. I think it is the publisher's strategy to attract readers to read the book. And because of that, the book is considered successful. And it was republished up to 15th edition in 2014, while its first edition was published in 1999. The author of the book is Robert L. Wolfe, a professor emeritus of chemistry at the University of Pittsburgh, a city in the American state of Pennsylvania. He has written 4 popular science books in his Einstein series. They are What Einstein Didn't Know, What Einstein Told His Barber, What Einstein Told His Cook, and What Einstein Kept Under His Hat. These books have been translated into more than 20 languages. I also have the Indonesian version of the book. For 10 years, from 1998 to 2008, Robert Wolfe wrote the food science column for the Washington Post and received award as the best newspaper column. He has also received numerous awards for interpreting chemistry to the public and made science more understandable and fun. This book has 272 pages, with more than 140 simple explanations based on scientific facts, so we can understand a lot of things and phenomena that have been happening around us. And all of these are found in 7 chapters, as follow: in the marketplace, in the kitchen, around the house, the internal combustion engine, the great outdoors, water everywhere, and that's the way it is. Among the examples of interesting questions are, what makes super glue so super? And how does soap know what's dirt? Can you make boiling water hotter by turning up the heat? The explanation makes us aware about saving the energy. My favorite part of the book is the last chapter. There is an explanation why are the Earth, Moon, and Sun spinning. It proved that the universe has a beginning and an ending. In my opinion, there is no need to read this book completely from beginning to end. We can just choose any question that we like and we want to know about it. Every explanation in this book is self-contained. But whenever some closely relevant information exists elsewhere in the book, we will be referred to the page on which it is explained. There is a list of buzzwords in the end of the book. Just read it anytime we need a definition. Every chapter, there are easy, fun science experiments with food, kitchen utensils, and common household products. As for illustrations in the book, there are not many, and there are some jokes that I myself didn't understand. Sometimes I can find interesting topics in the book, but they might be interesting for you. If we love science, this is a great book for us to read. But if we don't love science, it is still good for us because it can make us curious and it could be a good start for us to like science. There are so many questions that we never even thought of asking. If we read the book, it would develop our critical thinking skills. Therefore, I like the book and I would like to suggest it to you to read it as well. That's all from me. Let's read and read and read, as we will never lose anything from reading. Thank you for your kind attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.